Welcome to episode 153 of the video show. Today we're talking about the clap. So you may remember a few episodes ago we talked about sound recording and what is the best sound recorder for your situation and for your budget. This video is going to be all about how to record the best sound. And out of that came Charlie Keenan's question, which was,
you still have to match the sound to the video. That's tricky.
And what I do when I'm syncing my sound through the microphone I'm using here to the camera that I'm using there, I'm pointing out hello, is all you need to do is just clap. And this means that when you're editing, you can sync the sound, because the sound waves clearly show up a clap, to your hand movements when you clap. So it's that easy. When you're editing, just before you shoot any clip, any video, if you want to record sound and video separately, just clap before you start recording your actual footage to sync up your video in Edit. Thank you. So that's it for episode 153 of the video show. Thank you very much for the questions that are coming in through the videos that I'm posting. Really appreciate it. If you've got any other questions for future episodes, comment below. And remember to clap before every clip that you shoot where you're recording sound and video separately.